About yourself?
Oh, kitty run.
Yeah. Just getting ready for the modifieds.
Run through. I'll give you $100. Good. You can do it. Look at that.
Oh, took a spill. Is he still down there? Yeah, there.
Do it.
He's back. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Oh.
No, did I say that, Chris? I say no.
Yeah, that's what I say no.
Throw a set of balls.
Can you do me a favor? I can't walk.
I just worked.
The kids love it. All right, what's your name? Melissa? Look, how about a big hand for Melissa Bird? Face of blue winner. She is like the gazelle on 2 feet. She won a whole thing to do. Congratulations on behalf of Johnson Direct. I want to say thank you very much for the kids' popularity. For sponsoring the event, $50 per pack. It's $200. It's a lot of money.
All right, Gary, what do you think about what's it like to be behind the wheel of one of these mean machines?
It's absolutely fun. It's an adrenaline rush. We all love adrenaline rushes.
Yeah.
We just basically born into the sport. My dad did it way back, and I started doing it. I've just always been around it. So.
And your dad is Roger.
Yeah.
Okay. And Roger's the.
He's the president of the organization that organized this. So.
Right. How long have you been racing?
Since I've been 10.
And what are you sitting in right now?
It's a 77 Chev chassis, 2005 GM motor.
Jeez, how long have you been driving it?
I've had it for 6 years now, this one.
Oh yeah. So, can you list just some quick specs on it, or?
It's got about 350 horse, 40-inch super swappers, and that's about it. Homemade roll cage.
What's your favorite part about racing?
Just having everybody here and everybody coming over and having a good time, fun with friends and family.
Yeah, right on. Thanks.